what is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another video. Jason Wojo here, and I want to talk about low ticket digital product funnels, okay? You've probably seen my ads online selling a low ticket starter kit, which will be in the description below. It's only 27 bucks, but I am helping a lot of entrepreneurs and businesses right now running low ticket offers. I'm doing low ticket offers with guys like Chris Crone, Ryan Pineda, the list goes on. I'm running all their stuff and we're learning a lot right now. So I want to talk to you about what has happened to me over the last 3 months running low ticket offers. And I've ran low ticket offers for a while. I've ran low ticket offers for probably 3 years now, so I have a lot of experience in this. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions you have, maybe you have a low ticket offer, drop in the comment section, we'll review it. So yeah, I ran low ticket for 3 months, and we've probably done an extra, probably over another $1 million just in low ticket product sales. And that's, people buying a $10 product, a $27 product, $37, right? And that's not the only thing that they're buying though. So I kind of want to walk you through the methodology of what this avatar is ideally doing, and it will happen in your ecosystem too. So they usually come in and there is an LTO, which is what we call a low ticket offer. This is, it could be an ebook, it could be a mini course, it could be a quick trick, a quick hack, something that your ideal avatar wants. So let's say I'm a sales coach and I want to get more business owners to have me train their sales team. I'm going to sell something like a sales script, okay? Or, sales scripts, objection handling, something like that, right? So that would be my low ticket offer. Then they go to an order bump / order form. So we call this an OBOF. This is where they go to the order form, they put their card number in, right? They went to the sales page, they read about the low ticket offer, they want it, they go to the order form. Then there's an order bump, which is more of the same. Or what I put here, faster or better results. So FOBR, faster or better results. What I mean by that is, let's say my low ticket offer was sales scripts, okay? That have made X amount on the phone. My order bump would be objection handling scripts. It's congruent, it's more of the same, and it's faster, better results. It's a good order bump. Then they will go to an UP1. What do we mean by a UP1? UP1 is an upsell one. This is where we're gonna be giving them the next set of FOBR, faster or better results. And then they say yes or no to that, and then they get directed to either a downsell 1 or an upsell 2, okay? And this kind of just goes down and follows. So the last page you're gonna go to is what we call a thank you page, TYP, okay? Or we call it a thank you BC, which is a thank you booked call page. And this is where they end the entire funnel. So they go to the order form, they pick their order bump, right? Average take rate on order bump is gonna be around 60%. That's the kind of KPI I would shoot for. Then they go to upsell 1, which is faster, better results. Again, maybe it's a bigger bundle. Maybe it's sales coaching on a call that you can then have them pay for a call, and then you upsell them, sales coaching long term, right? Or upsell 1 could be, sales mastery bundle or something like that, like a big bundle for 97 bucks. Then they say yes or no. So let's say I put yes and I put no here. Okay, if they say yes, they're gonna go to upsell 2. If they say no, they're gonna go to downsell 1. Well, what does downsell 1 mean? Downsell 1 is, hey, I'll give it to you for a cheaper price and I'll throw in these bonuses. That's a good downsell. It means like, hey, I didn't wanna pay 97, but now it's 67 bucks and I get 2 bonuses, so I might consider buying it. If they go to upsell 2, it's because they already bought upsell 1. You don't need to pitch them anymore. They already bought it. So they go to upsell 2, which is another FOBR, which is faster or better results. Okay, so maybe they got their sales mastery, maybe there's objection handling mastery, or there's pre-framing mastery, or there's increase your show rate mastery, or, scoop up money from no-shows, or better follow-up mastery. I don't know what it would be, but that's faster, better results. Now they finish the funnel, they might have spent 100 and something bucks, they go to this page, okay? And this is where you want them to book a call on your calendar. Because it's like, hey, thank you, congrats on getting all of this, knowledge and all this, all these tools that you just purchased. I thank you for your support, blah, blah, blah. I'm looking for 8 entrepreneurs who want to increase their show rates and increase their closes over the next 90 days. If that is you, just book a call in the calendar below and you'll be speaking with me or one of my senior advisors. And now you're getting the thank you page and you're getting the book call at the same time. Now, there's a lot of things that can happen with low ticket. Now, as I erase here, I want to make this very, very, very clear that the reason why low ticket is so effective is because it's what we call a self-liquidating funnel. And what I mean by that? Well, if I'm self-liquidating, it means that my ad spend is giving me day one money. When you run book call funnels, you don't get day one money. You have to wait till tomorrow's booked out calendar to then make your money. So you're actually spending double because you're still spending money on day two while you're taking the calls from day one. The ad spend self-liquidates. That's why low ticket's so massive. Other things to keep in mind with low ticket and ways that you can optimize it is low ticket KPIs. So like a lot of people will ask me, hey, what should my conversion rate be on the front end? What should my, cost per purchase? What are all these KPIs that I look out for? First one is conversion rate percentage, which is how many people on page one convert? How many people buy that $7, $27, $37 product? I'm looking for anything above 5%, 5% or more. If I'm looking at my upsell 1 take rate and upsell 2 and then thank you page, okay, here's the numbers that I look for. Upsell 1, 30% easily. Upsell 2, anything above 17.5%. And then my thank you page, I want a 10% booking rate. Self-booking rate, I want to make that very clear. That's a self-booking rate because there's one thing that I do here that is going to increase this number drastically, which is speed to lead. So I'm calling every single lead within 5 minutes. As soon as they hit this page, the thank you page, they can either self-book or have a setter or a closer dial and call them within 5 minutes. I ask them a couple qualifying questions and then I put them on the calendar. So those are things that I do with low ticket, and that's what I've learned over the past 3 months. All these KPIs and the way that you structure your funnel are really important. And make sure that your low ticket offer teases your backend. If your low ticket offer does not tease the backend, then you're not going to get a lot of qualified people on the phone. So like, for example, what we do is they buy the low ticket starter kit, $27. When they book a call, my high ticket is $3,000 plus DFY. Where it's like, hey, we'll just build the funnel for you. You create the product, obviously, but we'll, do it for you. And that's MRR based. So that's monthly recurring revenue. So I'm getting that on a 4-month commitment to where I can take a $27 product and take them all the way to, $12,000. And that's the power of low ticket. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and like and comment your low ticket offer or any ideas that you have or any feedback you have for this video. And subscribe for more videos to come. And I will see you in tomorrow's video.